Building B2B intake forms that trigger custom email sequences is a game changer for businesses, automating communication and ensuring your leads receive personalized follow-ups. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create B2B intake forms that do just that. Stick around till the end because I'll also show you a simple trick to make sure your emails hit the mark every time. First, let's talk about why you should be using custom email sequences for your B2B intake forms. When a lead fills out your form, it's an opportunity to trigger a targeted sequence based on their responses. This allows you to send specific information tailored to their needs, saving you time and ensuring your messaging is spot on. To build your form, start by choosing a software that integrates well with your email automation tool. The software we'll be using today allows you to easily create these forms and set up the triggers that send custom email sequences automatically based on the answers your leads provide. I've tested all the top platforms and I'll give you an exclusive free trial of this software in the description below if you want to follow along. Once you've picked your software, it's time to design your intake form. Keep it simple and relevant. Ask only the questions that are crucial for your business and lead qualification process. For example, you might ask what industry the lead is in, what services they're interested in, or their budget range. This data helps trigger different email sequences later on. Next, let's talk about the custom email sequences. These are automatic emails that get sent after someone fills out your intake form. Set up these sequences based on the responses your lead gives. For example, if they say they're interested in a particular service, you can trigger an email with more details on that service and why it's right for them. This makes your outreach much more personalized and increases the chances of conversion. To set this up, go into your email automation tool and create different email sequences based on the responses from your intake form. Make sure you use conditional logic, so if a lead answers yes to a specific question, they get an email tailored to that answer. This might seem complicated, but once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward and highly effective. One thing that's often overlooked is the timing of these emails. Make sure your email sequences are spaced out in a way that doesn't overwhelm your leads but still keeps you top of mind. You don't want to send 5 emails in one day, pace them out over a week or two, depending on your sales cycle. After you've built your form and set up your email sequences, test everything. Go through the form yourself and ensure that each response triggers the correct sequence. Testing is key to making sure everything runs smoothly when you start collecting real leads. Now here's the key takeaway. Building B2B intake forms that trigger custom email sequences isn't just about collecting data. It's about using that data to send personalized, timely follow-ups that increase your chances of turning leads into customers. By setting up custom email triggers, you're automating the communication process in a way that feels personal and strategic, without all the manual work. So to recap, choose a software that integrates with your email tool, build a simple and targeted form, set up conditional email sequences based on responses, and test your workflow before going live. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below to follow along and streamline your process. That's it for today's tutorial. Make sure to like, share, and grab your free trial to start building your B2B intake forms today.